In this video, I'm going to be showing you on how to edit our HTML web pages which we created in the first video. So if we come here and open, we want to open it through the notepad. So I'm going to be using CSS to design our web page. So if we come here, right inside the body with a style. So this is the CSS code which we're using right now. So if we say style div, now that we want to design our web page, so we have to put a border for our form. So maybe we can give it a red color. So if you say solid red, so the border will be in red. Then if you come here, we want the width of the form to be maybe 300 pixels. You can put whatever the pixels which you want. You can change the size. You can say maybe 500 or whatever you want. Then we can align our text in the margin left, right? So maybe 30%. You can also change this to any percentage which suits your form. 30%. Then text align. We go like that. Then we can align our text in the center. Then heading 15 pixels. Then we terminate and close the curly bracket like that. So we come right after the closing curly bracket. We want our image to suit in the form, so we come there, the image, then we open curly brackets and close them just like that. So we say image, right, image. So we want the width of the image to be maybe 150 pixels. You can change these pixels to anything which suits what you want. So you can say 150 pixels. Then the height of the pixels of the pic could be maybe 150 pixels as well. Then border radius, it could be maybe 100 pixels. Then we terminate and close the curly bracket like that. So after having done that, you have to close the style which you once opened at the top there. So you close style, then you come here right before the form, you open div, right, then you go right after the form and you close the div. Do this, close div, right, then you save. So now let's go and check if what we have created, what we have designed, has come out the way we want. So we've been designing our log form. There we go. So now we have our log form. You see now it has changed the way it was looking. Right now it's only the form which we want, the space which you want. Now it's all enclosed in the form. So our form, we now see that it's got a red border, and our picture right there is in a circle. So the moment you'll be changing those pixels is the moment when the picture will be changing shapes, sizes, which could be maybe a square, a circle, or whatever you want it to look like. So that's how it is. So if we click here, we still have our link. If we click here, it will take us to our registration form. But now we see that our registration form hasn't been designed properly. So we want to make it look better than it is right now. So we can go back and edit our registration form. Now we open with Notepad. Right, there we are. So now we go right soon after the body, we open style. We are using CSS to design our HTML form, right? You say style, then div, open curly brackets and close, right? Then you just need to indent your work so that it will be visible, right? So if we say div, then border, we want to put a border for our form. So if you say border could be 1 pixels, a solid, maybe you can change the color to blue, right? Then we terminate Then for the width, we can say maybe 1000 pixels, 1000 px. Then text align, text align. Text align could be maybe you can put it on the center, right? Then padding, you can say 15 pixels. Then you terminate, right? So in the registration form, we don't have an image, so we don't put the image code. So we just close our style there, right? Soon after the closing curly, we come here and close style, right? So after having closed the style, we go here and open div. Now we have div. Then we have to go and close the div, right? Soon after the form. We close div, and then we save. Now let's go and check what has happened to our registration form. If we refresh it now, there you go. You see now we have a border for our form. That's where we want it, right? So now you can enter your details. If your name is John, you say John Sam. Then you put your email address, johnsam@gmail.com. Then you enter your password, right? So there we go. So, but if you already have an account, you click here, then it will take you to a login page. If you already have an account, so that you just enter your email address and your password, then you log in. So that's how it is. Click here, take you there. If you click here, it will take you to the login form. That's how it is. You can even maybe change the background color. You can do whatever you want. You can maybe, let's say, just check if you change the background color. So if you come here and say BG color is equal to with your code to see what happens to the web page. So you can maybe even change the background of the web page. So if you want to change the background of the web page, you can go in the open tag of the body and write background color. So just say BG color. BG color is equal to, let's say, red. If you say red, then you save. Now if you go to your registration web page, you can maybe refresh it right now. It's showing that we have the red background, right? You see, so you can play around with it. If you want to change the background, you can do whatever you want now. So that's it. Thank you.